Hello and welcome back. Welcome if this is your first time. Today I'm sharing a video of products that you can make for your home, or you can make it as a gift to give to someone else, for family, as the holiday seasons are approaching, or you could potentially put it for sale on e-commerce stores if you have one, or sell it on Facebook. So I'm making this from what you see there. It was an outdoor sign that I had the intention of selling when I made it, but I didn't. The trade show I was going to sell it at got cancelled last year, so I just put it outside my front door. So I'm using that to make this. So I will call this a repurposed material. So I didn't have to buy anything. I actually made two of them that I was going to sell at the trade show, but since they were not sold, I had both of them in hand. Actually, I think they were too small. That's why I didn't even think about giving them away. First of all, it was too late in the season to give it away. But anyhow, I plan on doing that this year, to make a few larger sizes and give those away. Anyhow, this is made out of a 1x6, which I had painted white. You would notice later on in the video I took off some of the paint material to give it a farmhouse look. And I made 4 different patterns, which you will see, and you can be creative with it. You can make as many patterns as you want, different patterns. These ones I thought were pretty simple to make. I know I used a router to make one of the beveled edges, but you can totally just sand it off. You can sand off that edge to give it that look, to give it that angle. But yep, I hope this video helps you and you get some value from it. Let me know in the comments, and please share with someone else who might be interested in making one or all of these, or just have an inspiration from these to make an even better one than these. At this point, I'll just be quiet and let you enjoy the video. I hope you get some inspiration from this and you will build something and share it with us here. be a good time to subscribe to this channel if you have already done so. Thank you. So as you can tell, this is one that you can personalize. I went for the unfinished look to leave it as a farmhouse look. And here's an example of a farmhouse napkin holder. And you can totally design this one, or you can just sell yours based on this price. And I know this has a little more going on with it, but I'm going to show you another one. This one is from Wayfair. They're listing it for $24.95. You could list yours for $20. But I'm going to switch over to Etsy so you see how other people are pricing it on Etsy. I think it comes down to how you stage it, how you finish it, and how you stage it to give people the perception or the idea of what it would look like on their own space. So as you can see what the pricing looks here on Etsy, it's more than $24. And you could change the shape, you can change the height of it. You can totally just go and, instead of making all of them both sides the same height, you can just cut one side shorter and add the bevel there to differentiate it from what is on Etsy. These are the ones that I have seen. So good luck with your build, and please share what you build on the community here, and take care and God bless. I'll see you on the next one.